guys, welcome to my channel and to my Stitch Fix unboxing. This particular box, I asked for warm cozy pieces that felt spring. So it's like, you know, maybe sweaters with spring colors or, honestly, I don't really know. But that was my generic thing of still warm but spring, because that's kind of my mentality. I'm starting, not today, but I'm starting to shift to spring type colors. We're only, you know, month and a half away from spring, so that's on the brain. And I think we naturally kind of get sick of a season after we've been focused on it for a while and start looking forward to the next one. So that's where I'm at mentally. So last night I posted my very first hiking vlog, so we'll put a card up to that if you feel like checking that out. I am very excited to bring kind of new content to my channel, that I will continue the style boxes and even the closet clean out type videos. So those will continue on, but I'm going to just sprinkle in some hiking since that is my hobby, and it's been really fun to vlog the hike, at least for our sake. It's kind of fun to see the journey, and so far I've had pretty positive feedback on that, so I'm excited for more of that. Just want to give that little update, so let's go ahead and get to the box here. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, they are a style service. You fill out a survey, a stylist sends you 5 items, you keep what you like, you send what you don't like. They only charge you for what you keep. There is a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. They give you 3 days, which is a very small window for you to figure out what you want to keep, but luckily you can adjust that through their website to push those days out, which is what I do. Oh, I've got 2 bundles in here today. Hello, 2 bundles. And if you buy all 5 items, you do get 25% off. So yay, I've been able to do that just a couple of times. And if you want to try it for yourself, for the first time, I do have a referral link below that will get us both $25 off. So, you know, that's kind of cool. So check it out if you want to. Oh, and shoes. This is fine. I've got like 2 bundles and shoes and... Okay, let's get to it. First up, we have this nice... See, this is perfect. This is a perfect on theme. My last theme I did was youthful and trendy, and I didn't really specifically call it out in the video. I don't know why. I guess my brain was someplace else, but the people in the comments called it out, and it was really far off the theme. I mean, the pieces weren't bad, but they were not youthful, super trendy type pieces. I'm thinking more like, you know, wide leg jeans, crop top, you know, stuff like that, and that is not what I got. So anyways, so at least this is a little bit more promising as far as fitting the theme. So pink clover, we have this kind of open weave, very sweatery cardigan, which I do like a nice sweatery cardigan. Does have pockets on it, and it's this nice tealish, almost more blue than teal look to it. So I actually really like this, so yay for that. That piece was pink clover. I don't know if I called that out. So then we have by Fortune and Ivy this cowl neck sweater here. It's kind of a heathered blush and gray, which is, it makes for kind of an interesting tone. Super soft. It's got kind of these rib sleeves to it, so I really like this. I like a blush color, and I think the heathered kind of makes it a little bit more interesting. I don't know what you guys think of that. So okay, so excited to try that on. All right, kind of a similar coloring to the cardigan. This is pink clover. Has kind of this button detail top, kind of a raglan look to it, and there we go, just kind of a pullover sweater. I really like the feel for it. Again, kind of a nice springy-ish, not too spring type of color. Then we have Stitch Fix exclusive by Just USA. This is the high-rise cropped skinny jean in light blue, which I do like a light blue jean. You've got the kind of destroyed hem. One side is folded up, the other side is not, so I guess they're trying to say like, hey, this is probably too long on you, so you might want to fold it up. Nice and soft though. I like high-rise button fly here, so I like it. Okay, ooh, pretty. All right, so we've got a flat here, a Fuchsia Flat, and it's by Report. So I really, really like these. The chances of me keeping these are quite small because I've never really been a big colorful footwear person because I never know what to wear it with. I don't really have anything that has fuchsia in it, to be honest with you. So, but it might provide a pop of color. I do have a lot of black, so, you know, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, that is my box. I actually really like everything, so I am very excited to try this stuff on and potentially make some tough decisions. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so first up we have the jeans and pullover sweater here. So let's start with the sweater. So the sweater, I like it. It's a great fit, absolute great fit, good sleeve length, good here in the armpits. Those are always kind of my main indicators. Not a lot of looseness up here. So I like that. The color, I really like the color of this. The button detail is cute. So I like that. I just think the thing that makes me not that excited about it is the length of it. It is pretty long. Now I could do the front tuck with it, but I don't know. I mean, I have a lot of sweaters. If you watched any of my closet clean out series, it's, you know, way too much sweaters. So I just am feeling like I'm not showing enough excitement for this, so it's probably not a keeper. So the jeans, I really like the wash of the jeans. I think they're nice. The button up is nice. It is a high rise. It is almost to my belly button. Good fit. I don't feel like I've got a lot of gapping back here. Doesn't seem like it's too tight. So they feel good. Now the length of them are probably the main issue with this. So I left one rolled and one straight down. Oh, there's Frank. He says hello. So the one that's left down is a little bit too long for my taste. You can see it kind of hangs over the pants. The roll up looks kind of weird because of the shape of the hem. It's kind of like almost a shark bite hem. So I don't know. I think that is probably an issue. I've got a ton of jeans, so I have to be, you know, have perfection at this point for me to keep them, and I just don't think this is it for me. So let's keep going. So here we go with the cardigan, and I quite like this cardigan. It is I like, you know, cardigans this length. I really like the kind of the chunky knit sweater-esque of it, that it has pockets. It does kind of have, it's a good fit, but it does kind of have a little bit of a slouchiness to it. At least it does kind of in the sleeves here. Now this one is like one I don't know how to lay the neck, so if I leave it up, it's like this, and then if I fold it, I think I'd fold it, kind of let it drape over. I don't know. But I like it. You know, the biggest thing comes down to need, and I guess actually it's probably come down to price with this. So I don't know that I'm willing to pay a lot for it, but if I had it, I would wear it a good way to stay warm with a springy vibe. Okay, so here we go with the cowl neck top and the pink flats. So and these flats feel pretty dressy, so I probably mostly wear them with more of a dressed up outfit, not shark hem jeans like this, but they're a great fit and they actually feel really good. I kind of want these in different colors. I don't think I need them in black, but I'd really like one of these in like a tan. So I might see if I can request that. I do like the pop of color, but I just don't know that I would reach for these enough. I'm looking more for like everyday type flats. So then we have the cowl neck top, and it's cute, it's cozy, you know, good, you know, wear it with leggings, jeans, whatever. So I like it. I think it, and it's quite soft. So I think it's cute. I'd really like to get your guys' opinion on this one. 60. Here's a close-up of the shoe. Peep the shoe. Okay, so there we go. That is all the pieces. So let's go over prices and decide what to keep. Well, hello there. I am wearing a $5 turtleneck sweater from Walmart, and I'm in love with it. Just thought I would share it for you if you're interested. I'll put a card up for the Walmart haul so you can check it out if you're interested. And I've got links for everything there in the Walmart haul. Anyways, just thought I'd share because I see myself in the viewfinder and I was like, I like this color. I like this color quite a bit. Okay. This is the pink clover Adelaide 2-pocket waffle cardigan in teal green, $44. So I think this was my favorite. I just really like the color. I like the knit of it. I love a good 2-pocket cardigan straight down. So this is my favorite and I'm leaning towards keeping it. I just need to check my closet and make sure I don't already have this color because I kind of think I might. So I'm not sure. So that I like. Next up we have by Just USA the Lola high-rise crop skinny jean, $58. I liked them. The length of them weren't perfect for, you know, the hem being a cool hem. So not going to be a keeper for me on that. Then we have by Report Footwear. This is the Ballet Flat in Fuchsia, $35. And I'm going to request this in other colors. I'm just not wanting the fuchsia. I just don't think I've reached for it enough to pay 35 bucks for them. So not going to keep those, but I really like them. Then we have by Fortune and Ivy the Havana Cowl Neck curve hem top, and it is $40, which is actually a really decent price for this. Cozy, cute. I just don't know if I need it. I could use some opinions on this. Again, I've been doing this with my Stitch Fixes, is not checking out until I get feedback because you guys are just super helpful. And I just am terrible at decisions. That's just not my forte, which makes me a great manager at my job. Okay, then we have by Pink Clover the Rylie button detail long sleeve top in teal green, $46. Would have loved this just in a shorter length. I love a nice pullover. It's a good feel. I like the button detail. I like the teal. Just let's bring it up a little bit. So total box is $233. If I bought all 5, I get 25% off, which would take off $55.75 and would bring the order total to $167.25. I'll adjust the camera to adjust for a cat laying on it. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this Stitch Fix box. I thought it was a really good one. There was nothing in there that just blew my mind away, but I still thought it was good. And I would love to get your guys' feedback. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.